Broken heart is not just an expression of emotional pain, but a real medical condition, and this is what we call stress-induced cardiomyopathy or broken heart syndrome or Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. And this occurs when extreme emotional or physical stress or trauma causes temporal weakening of the heart muscles. And most of the time it's being triggered by death or loss of a loved one, sometimes a sudden break in relationship, extreme fear, anxiety or shock, and sometimes even physical trauma can lead to that. Now, one thing you need to know is that broken heart syndrome usually mimics a heart attack, even though it is not actually a heart attack. And the symptoms that many people usually experience is chest pain, shortness of breath, irregular heartbeat, or sometimes you notice that your heart is beating faster. Some people might even notice some signs of fainting and excessive sweating. So now let us look at how this broken heart leads to the weakening of the heart muscles. Once your body is being exposed to an extreme amount of stress, it causes your body to release certain kind of stress hormones like adrenaline. This high surge of adrenaline, it causes your heart to beat abnormally. And once your heart begins to beat like that, it makes the heart muscles begin weakening. And this temporal weakening of your heart leads to this broken heart syndrome. But one thing you need to know is that this medical condition usually resolves on its own within weeks to months. It usually resolves alongside you taking some heart medications. But the problem is it can also relapse and reoccur again if you don't manage your stress level. You understand? So you can be managed and it will go on its own, but if you don't take care, it can also reoccur again. Most of the time, broken heart syndrome is usually managed like a heart attack, but even though it's not actually a heart attack, stress needs to be managed always, because if you don't manage your stress, it can go a long way to affect your body. And one particular organ that is always affected by stress is your heart. So if you're one kind of person that you are always stressed out both emotionally and physically, and you don't manage your stress level, it can go a long way to affect your heart. Hence, this stress-induced cardiomyopathy or this Takotsubo cardiomyopathy or the broken heart syndrome. Okay, so a quick one. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to request or recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, then drop it in the comment section. I will then make sure that I make a video on the request you've made in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am Owusu Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.